10 Essential Spanish Phrases for Beginners. A guide to get you started. Hola! Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Spanish? Learning a new language can be challenging, but fear not. In this video, we will guide you through 10 essential Spanish phrases that every beginner should know. Whether you're planning a trip to a Spanish-speaking country or simply want to expand your linguistic horizons, these phrases will serve as a solid foundation for your Spanish language skills. 1. Hola! Hello! A universal greeting, hola, is your go-to phrase when meeting someone new. It's a simple and friendly way to say hello and start a conversation. 2. Gracias, thank you. Expressing gratitude is an essential aspect of any language. Gracias is the Spanish word for thank you. Use it to show appreciation for any act of kindness or assistance. 3. Por favor, please. Por favor is the magical word that adds politeness and courtesy to any request. Whether you're asking for directions or ordering food at a restaurant, remember to include por favor to make your interactions smoother. 4. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? To inquire about someone's well-being, use the phrase ¿Cómo estás? It's a common way to initiate a conversation and show interest in the other person's state of being. 5. ¿Dónde está? Where is? Navigating through a new city or unfamiliar surroundings can be daunting. When you're looking for a specific location, use the phrase ¿Dónde está? Followed by the name of the place. It will help you find your way more easily. 6. No entiendo, I don't understand. As a beginner, you may encounter situations where you're struggling to comprehend what someone is saying. No entiendo is the perfect phrase to indicate that you don't understand. Native speakers will appreciate your honesty and offer assistance. 7. ¿Puede ayudarme? Can you help me? When you need assistance or directions, ask, ¿Puede ayudarme? This phrase will come in handy when you find yourself in need of help from a friendly local. 8. Me llamo. My name is. Introducing yourself is an important part of social interactions. To share your name, use the phrase, me llamo, followed by your name. It's a great way to initiate conversations and make new acquaintances. 9. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? If you're shopping or dining out, knowing how to ask for prices is crucial. Use the phrase, ¿Cuánto cuesta? To inquire about the cost of an item or a service. It will help you navigate transactions smoothly. 10. Adios, goodbye. As you wrap up conversations or bid farewell, use the word adios. It's a widely recognized term for saying goodbye in Spanish-speaking countries. Remember to use it with a smile to leave a positive impression. Congratulations! You have now learned 10 essential Spanish phrases for beginners. With these phrases in your repertoire, you'll be well prepared to navigate basic conversations and interactions in Spanish-speaking environments. Practice these phrases regularly to improve your pronunciation and build your confidence. Remember, language learning is an ongoing process, so don't hesitate to explore more as you progress. Buena suerte, good luck, and adios!